Unraveling the Blind Stitch, a seamlessly simple guide. Hello, and welcome to our cozy corner of learning. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of the term, blind stitch. This phrase is not just a gem in the world of sewing but also a fascinating idiom in the English language. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a sewing aficionado, understanding this term can add a new layer to your English vocabulary. Let's thread the needle together and discover what makes a blind stitch so unique. Blind stitching is a sewing technique where the stitches are not visible on the front side of the fabric. It's a magical seam that holds pieces together without showing its threads. Typically used in hems, linings, and the bindings of quilts, this stitch is all about creating a clean, polished finish. In everyday language, a blind stitch can refer to anything done with such subtlety that it goes unnoticed. It's like the art of doing something behind the scenes but achieving a significant impact. We often use this term to describe actions that are skillfully hidden yet hold everything together, just like the stitch itself. Let's see how this phrase works in sentences. The editor's changes were like a blind stitch, improving the manuscript without leaving a trace. Her kind acts are a blind stitch in the community, often unseen but essential. And there we have it, a tiny phrase with a big presence, both in sewing and in speech. The blind stitch is all about subtlety and effectiveness, a quiet hero in the fabric of language. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll carry this new term in your linguistic pocket, ready to use it when the moment is just right. Until our next video, keep practicing and keep learning.